After the lockdown was announced in Kerala, we are on the 32nd day. So we have experienced lockdown for the last 31 days, and it is a great experience for the Kerala police because none of us is trained to handle such kind of situation. We use the so-called common sense management to enforce the restrictions and regulations during the lockdown. And for that matter, I will certainly compliment my officers and my staff. Every day, we put almost 24,000 police officials on duty. That is on field duty. We keep around 20,000 people as the reserve. If anything goes wrong, they will be there. And during this 1 month, we experimented many things. And now they call it as Kerala model of lockdown. How we enforced the regulations and restrictions without using force, without using coercion, and going fully legal is a matter of discussion everywhere. Well, we did some very unique things. Number one, we used our community policing system. Even as a day during the lockdown period, the community police have visited 3.27 lakh houses, which include house of the isolated patients to old people, needy people, both in cities, towns, and also in the villages. And we have actually even took upon us delivery of medicines by using our resources. It is going on a day-to-day basis. Thousands of people got benefit out of that. We actually brought in a new model of lockdown called triple lockdown, or we call triple clampdown in Kasaragod. And that was extremely successful. We have registered the maximum number of cases anywhere in the country, maybe anywhere in the world. We have registered more than 1 lakh cases. We have seized more than 81,000 vehicles for violating various norms of the lockdown. And this law enforcement strategy was definitely better to use force and to hit them to go back. It's rather we thought that we'll catch them, make them aware, slap a case, seize the vehicle. That will be good. And it has paid dividend to us. Now today, the most important thing is that in the last 3-4 days, some cases, positive cases have been reported due to interstate movements. So we have now given priority to restrict the interstate movement, to watch the interstate movement, and we are using drones for that. And you might be knowing that probably we are the first state to use more than 600 drones, and we have that tracer bullet, video clipping. Actually, drones actually helped us in many ways to enforce the lockdown. It could detect the people who are violating, if they are playing cards, or they are congregating, or they are having a group drinking. All these things could be actually handled by the use of drones. Similarly, we use technology wherever possible. We have a geofencing app which actually detected who are the people who are jumping quarantine. We are the people who found out first time in Cochin in the initial days, 146 people who are supposed to be in isolation have left their houses to have gone to some other place. what I wanted to say is that the people cooperated with us, the technology we used, and the kind of things we did for the awareness programs, 412 videos, including actually using celebrities. It's not actually an easy task. And more than 1,000 posters, more than 1,000 trolls we produced from the social media cells to make other people conscious about various things, how to stay at home, how to actually handle the corona virus, how to have the hygiene protocol. And some of the videos have actually have a viewership of more than 1 crore. So one video has a viewership of 2.5 crores all over the world. So these are amazing things. And we learned many things from that. Today, our only request to all of you is that cooperate with us up to the lockdown is over, and we will get a better system and better state. Not only we are bringing the numbers down, but also we are actually, our treatment, other things have become world class, and it will continue provided you cooperate with us. The Kerala police will be always with you. That is the strategy we have adopted. And for that, so what we say today is for your good and my good. So if you are healthy and without being affected, you will have a better life. That is the way we are preaching this. We have produced tele-app medicines, apps for telemedicines. That is called Blue, there is something called Blue Tele-app medicine, and now there is another one called Suraksha. We have also used various other technologies, and I'm expecting something still better. And a few days which are left, we'll try to enforce as we are enforcing today. You wanted to tell me about Tabligh? Huh? Tabligh. Yes. Okay. So, as far as this Tabligh matter is concerned, I am not able to exactly tell you the numbers, but I can tell you this. All those persons who came back to Kerala have been traced, and they have been quarantined, they have been treated. Out of them, 20 were positive, and they have been treated. Similarly, those people who are otherwise, they were quarantined, all these things have happened. Those people who did not come back to Kerala, we traced them, and we informed their whereabouts to the concerned states, to the central agencies. So, as far as Kerala is concerned, all the people who had attended that, we have traced them.
Sir, what about the safety of deploying web servers?
It is a real matter of concern for me as the head of the force to comprehend and think about the safety of my police officers. My police officials are on the field and they are in touch with various people. So they are, even an asymptomatic person can also be a carrier, and my particular policeman may be affected. But till date, thankfully, no person has been tested positive so far from the police department. But we cannot be complacent on that. Every day we try to tell them that what they are supposed to do, what care they have supposed to do. But still then the vulnerability remains. So, and it will remain also. So, maximum thing we will try to do with them. So, we have now actually patted them, given them rewards, all kind of things, whatever can be done. In the meantime also, for their welfare, we have also approached the government to give them some financial benefits which may actually motivate them.